Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. This is the Queen's Royal Entrance. Right hand thumb on D above middle C. 3 is adjusted to F sharp. 5 on A. Left hand thumb is on A below middle C. 3 is on F sharp. And D. Now this is the same as the 5-finger scale in D major. So if you were here for our last video, that's what we covered. So in the first line, we play left hand 1, 3, 5, hail for 4 beats. Here we enter on beat 3, 4. Then we step down to G so that we have a C major triad. Same thing in the right hand, stepping down. Hail, hail. Make sure to hold on to left hand 4 beats. From the beginning, those 2 measures. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. In the third measure, we play left hand, right, 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 together. To warm up a bit, play back and forth between D major and C major chords. Like measure 3. Let's try the first line again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift. 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So we played left hand 1, 3, 5 together, D major for 4 beats. That's here. 4 beats. And then enter on beat 3 in the right hand. In the next line, we have left hand 1, 3, 5, hold for 4 beats. In the right hand, we have 1 beat of silence. Then we have 2 and 3. Now this is the rhythm. 2 and 3. Think of this as a fast rhythm set. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Same thing in the right hand in the next measure. We have a fast rhythm set with C major chords. Let's play that whole line together. If you'd like to go back and practice that one more time with your parents, please do so. Otherwise, let's go back to the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. In the third line, we start with finger 5. Do you remember which note this is? 5 will skip down to 2, skipping up to 4, skipping down a fourth to finger 1. Let's practice the first measure together. 5, 2, 4, 1. Let's try that again. Just try to get used to this measure. And if you have a pedal, you can hold the pedal down. Measure 2 is exactly the same. You can try it a little faster. In the third measure, we begin with left hand. 1, skips down to 4, skips up to 2, skips down a fourth to finger 5, stepping up to 4. Do you remember how many beats this note is worth? How about this one? They're the same, 2 beats each. Let's go for measure 9. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand. Did you make sure to end on finger 4 in the left hand? If not, go back one more time and practice that. All right, let's play from the beginning and practice those 3 lines. 1, 2, ready, go. On page 2, we begin by playing left hand 1 and right hand 5 at the same time, with that same melody. Did you remember to play left hand thumb for 4 beats 2 times? 2, 3. Remember to play left hand thumb for 4 beats 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In measure 3, we have fast rhythm set in the right hand and a slow rhythm set in the left hand. To illustrate this, I've drawn a fast rhythm set box in green and slow in the left, red. Here we're going to have the same hand position as before. Except the right hand is moving faster. Twice the speed of the right hand quarter notes that were before. Let's play from 13 together. 2, 3, 4. Very good. If you need to practice that last measure, please do so. In the next line, after we play finger 5, we have to skip down to finger 2. Let's play from the green box in the right hand to the red box in the next line. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. Going on this time, we play finger 2 and 1, left hand 1, at the same time. Let's play from 13 all the way through to the second line. Now, if you need to play that slower, go ahead and play that slower. I'll play it too. Back to D major chord. Left hand, right hand. Left hand. Hold. Right hand. Let's try that again. Majesty, thumb is going to move up to F natural, 3 is on A, and 5 is on C, treble C. So from D major, stepping down to E minor. Let's try the last line one more time. Left hand 3 moves down to low D, an octave below the left hand. So from here, your third finger moves to D, D2. Last line, one more time. Ready? Go. Very nice job. We're going to try this from the beginning. The Queen's Royal Entrance. 2, 4, 2, Wonderful job, everyone. I'd like to remind you to please only practice 2 lines at a time with this piece. If you get stuck on a part, make sure to block off at least 2 to 4 measures or 2 lines at a time so you can just practice them piece by piece. It's better to practice in smaller sections and digest it that way. Please let me know if you have any questions or requests, and happy practicing.